Hi, I'm Courtney with Equiparts. We're here with you today to talk about the different types of partitions that are available. We will also go over the different manufacturers that we offer and what information and measurements will be needed for partition parts or new partitions. There are several different types of toilet partitions available, each fitting different needs of the facilities. The next 5 drawings will show you the partition styles that are available. Floor-supported partitions. When no overhead bracing is required and ceiling-hung partitions are impractical, floor-supported partitions are ideal. Space and durability are important features. Floor-supported with headrail. This is our most popular style, recommended for new and old buildings where economy, ease of installation, and rigid overhead bracing are required. Ceiling-hung partitions. Ceiling-hung partitions allow for ease of floor maintenance, used when drop ceilings or open span type construction is practical. Floor-to-ceiling partitions, recommended for all areas subject to heavy usage. For problem areas, we recommend the use of full-length aluminum brackets and hinges. Ultimate privacy partitions. When maximum privacy is desired, the ultimate privacy configuration can be incorporated into any of our partition styles. Panels and doors are 67 inches high and mounted 3 to 12 inches off the floor. Continuous brackets and no-sight doors will minimize any sight gaps. When calling for a quote or an order, this information is the information we will need to get the correct partitions for your facility. 1. Your preferred material of your new partitions. 2. Color of new partitions. 3. Specify headrail brace, ceiling hung, or floor supported. 4. Finish wall dimensions of room. 5. C by C dimensions, which means the dimensions between fixtures, if possible. 6. Any ADA requirements. 7. Door swings. 8. Location of obstructions, such as radiators, windows, floor drains, etc. 9. If ceiling hung, must specify floor to ceiling height. If you don't know all the answers to the questions, not a problem. Give us a call and we can help you along with the information. Also, you can find the partition order checklist linked below in the video, which will help you with all the questions needed and the information we would need for your partition order. Also, you can find a more detailed blog on our website at www.equiparts.com. Along with that, you'll be able to find our contact info so we can help you with your partition order. We look forward to hearing from you.